For the first time ever, we are removing a card from the arena! Removing Heal Spell from the game.
Now, this is some really big news, but don't worry, we will be replacing it with a brand new card. Heal Spirit. Heal Spirit is our first spirit since 2016.
Like Ice Spirit, same health, same damage, runs, jumps, the whole deal. The difference, Heal Spirit will leave behind a big healing area.
The healing that Heal Spirit does is way more powerful than the old heal spell. This is because it happens really quickly and in a really short burst. But the catch is, Heal Spirit has to jump on an enemy before it deploys its healing effect. We went through a couple of different phases and concepts of what Heal Spirit was going to be. Here you can see some of them. I really loved the little like battle healer, princey kind of Heal Spirit. With this little cute hair, but we settled for something that was a bit more Clash Royale in the end.
You're not losing any cards, you're not losing any gold, you're not losing any upgrades. Anything you had for heal will automatically become Heal Spirit as soon as it comes into the arena.
You